Are you tired of hearing the same old money-saving advice? Today, we're diving into the most overlooked frugal living hacks, practical, unconventional tips that people often ignore but actually work wonders. Stick around, because these fresh ideas might just be the secret to saving more and living better. Why overlooked hacks matter. Most frugal living advice focuses on the obvious. Cut your coffee habit, stop dining out, or shop sales. But what about the tips that don't get talked about? The ones that are less glamorous but incredibly effective? In this video, I'll share frugal hacks that aren't on everyone's radar but can save you hundreds, even thousands a year. These strategies are easy to implement, realistic for any lifestyle, and proven to make a difference. Let's get started. 1. Buy ugly produce. Supermarkets often discount imperfect or ugly fruits and vegetables that are still perfectly good to eat. Why it works? They're usually 30 to 50% cheaper than regular produce. You reduce food waste by giving these items a second chance. How to start? Check for discounted produce sections in your local grocery store. Many online services now deliver ugly produce directly to your door. 2. Use your freezer as a money-saving tool. Your freezer is more than just a place for ice cream. It's a frugal powerhouse. Why it works? It lets you buy in bulk and store food for longer periods. You can freeze leftovers, seasonal fruits, or even bread to avoid waste. How to start? Freeze herbs and olive oil cubes to save money on fresh ingredients. Batch cook meals and freeze portions for busy nights. 3. Take advantage of library resources. Libraries are treasure troves of free entertainment and education that many people overlook. Why it works? They offer free books, audiobooks, movies, and even workshops. Many libraries provide free access to ebooks and online learning platforms. How to start? Get a library card and explore their online catalog. Check for free events like DIY classes or financial literacy workshops. 4. The power of a no-spend day. Taking just one day a week to not spend any money can significantly impact your budget. Why it works? It resets your spending habits and helps you identify unnecessary purchases. Saving even $10 a week adds up to $520 a year. How to start? Choose a day when you typically spend, like weekends. Plan free activities, like hiking, reading, or cooking at home. 5. Buy household staples from restaurant supply stores. Most people don't realize that restaurant supply stores are open to the public and often sell items at wholesale prices. Why it works? You can save big on bulk items like cleaning supplies, spices, and pantry essentials. These stores often carry higher quality items built to last. How to start? Search online for restaurant supply stores near you. Stock up on items you use regularly to save money over time. 6. Repair before you replace. In today's throwaway culture, repairing items is a lost art. But it's also a major money saver. Why it works? Fixing something is almost always cheaper than buying new. It reduces waste and gives you the satisfaction of making something last. How to start? Learn basic repair skills like sewing, patching, or using adhesive products. Look up YouTube tutorials for step-by-step guides. 7. Embrace secondhand everything, from furniture to clothes. Buying secondhand can save you a fortune without sacrificing quality. Why it works? Many secondhand items are as good as new but cost a fraction of the price. Shopping secondhand also supports sustainability. How to start? Explore thrift stores, online marketplaces, and garage sales. Set alerts for items you need on platforms like Facebook Marketplace. 8. Use apps for cash back on everyday purchases. Cashback apps are an easy way to save on things you're already buying. Why it works? They offer discounts or cash back on groceries, gas, and online shopping. Some apps even give you bonuses for referrals. How to start? Download popular apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Ibotta. Link your accounts and start earning rewards. 9. Practice the 30-day rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait 30 days. Why it works? It helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you truly need or want the item. Many people find that after 30 days, the desire to buy fades. How to start? Create a wish list for items you're considering. Review the list monthly and only buy what still feels necessary. 10. Save on utilities with simple tweaks. Small changes to how you use utilities can lead to big savings. Why it works: reducing energy and water usage lowers your monthly bills. Over time, these savings can add up significantly. How to start: switch to LED bulbs, use power strips, and unplug devices when not in use. Install low-flow shower heads and fix leaks to reduce water waste. 11. DIY household cleaners. Most cleaning products can be replaced with simple, homemade alternatives. Why it works: DIY cleaners are often made from affordable ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. They're eco-friendly and just as effective as store-bought versions. How to start: mix equal parts vinegar and water for an all-purpose cleaner. Use baking soda for scrubbing and deodorizing. 12. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Streaming services, gym memberships, and subscription boxes can quietly drain your budget. Why it works: canceling unused subscriptions frees up money for more important goals. Many services allow you to pause memberships instead of canceling outright. How to start: review your bank statements for recurring charges. Decide which subscriptions you truly use and cut the rest. 13. Join a Buy Nothing group. Buy Nothing groups are community-based platforms where people give away items for free. Why it works: you can find everything from furniture to appliances without spending a dime. It builds connections within your local community. How to start: search for a Buy Nothing group in your area on Facebook or the Buy Nothing app. Post items you no longer need or browse what others are offering. 14. Grow your own herbs and veggies. Starting a small garden can save you money on fresh produce. Why it works: homegrown herbs and vegetables are cheaper and fresher than store-bought. Gardening is a relaxing and rewarding hobby. How to start: start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil or mint in small pots. Expand to veggies like tomatoes or lettuce once you get the hang of it. 15. The power of bartering. Bartering is an old-school strategy that's making a comeback. Why it works: it lets you trade skills or goods without spending money. It fosters a sense of community and mutual support. How to start: offer your skills in exchange for what you need. For example, trade babysitting for car repairs or yard work for baked goods. Conclusion: hidden gems of frugal living. These overlooked hacks show that frugal living isn't just about cutting back, it's about thinking differently. By embracing these strategies, you can save money, reduce waste, and live a more intentional life. Which of these hacks will you try first? Share your frugal wins in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone ready to save smarter.